Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser. So I was not going to film this, but I last minute decided to film it because I was in the mirror doing it and I was like, maybe I should film it. I'm just going to run some errands and I blow dried my hair. It's freshly washed. I didn't feel like doing a bun because I usually do a bun after like freshly washing my hair and blow drying it. So I decided to try and do a flat twist. Guys, I suck. I suck at doing flat twists, but I decided to start practicing and maybe I'll get better eventually. No, I'll definitely get better eventually if I practice. So that's why I decided to do a flat twist, and as I was doing it, I realized my hair is quite short. So I figured something a little creative to do to make a bun at the back. So that's why I decided to film it and share that with you guys. So I don't know how it's going to look like. But yeah, so let's do this and see how it looks like. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, you are awesome. You're awesome. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, guys, so that you know when I upload a new video. So I'm pretty much just brushing my hair to the side. Oh, as you can see, I did like a middle part going all the way down to the bottom, and then I did the flat twist. So I did one side already, clearly, and then I'm going to do this other side. I'm not using any products because I moisturized my hair before I blow dried it. I'm just going to brush it a little bit. And then maybe I'll add a little bit of edge control, but I don't know. I've been trying not to slick down my edges. I think I say that in every video now. We'll see how it looks like. If it's neat enough, or at least neat to my standards, then I'll leave it alone. But anyway, so I'll just do a flat twist. Guys, I suck at this. And I feel like my hair is so short, actually. Since I did this one going inside, I have to do this one going inside as well. Ooh! If you're new at this like I am, just take your time and do it slowly. And if you need to repeat it, then repeat. But I'm hoping I won't need to repeat it. I didn't repeat the first one, so I'm hoping I'll get lucky with this one too. You should take small sections at a time, otherwise you'll have like a poofy situation like I have over here. This always happens to me all the time. I don't know if you guys can see what I just did. So this side is tighter than this side, so they look like two different things. Now I definitely have to redo one of them. I don't know which one to redo. Oh, it's so annoying. Okay, I think I'll redo the fluffy one because if it's tighter, then it's going to last me for like 2 or 3 days, maybe even more. Yeah, I don't think I'm in the mood of doing my hair, so I'll just do the tighter one instead. I don't know why this happens to me, but oh, this is my life. Guys, I've just come to the conclusion that, you know, this big braids and flat twists are just not meant to look the same, you know. I think they're like eyebrows, they're not twins, they're sisters. So this is it. I'm rocking sister flat twist. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so annoying, but I'm not going to do it again. Like, my hands are tired. I feel like I just did some weightlifting right now. Okay, yeah, this is what we are working with. This is it. Okay, so now we're going to make a bun at the bottom here, because I just don't like it looks kind of funny. Like with just these two little small tails. I mean, you can pin them together like that if you want to, but I want to be a little bit extra, so I am going to add some Mali hair on the bottom here. Okay guys, so I have some random Mali hair. That's from like my collection of Mali hair from the previous styles that I did on the channel. So I'm just going to take some of those and crochet at the back. I think the brand of this Mali hair is Afri hair, the Afri Natural brand, but I'm sure I have it mixed with another brand. So any Mali hair that you have will do. I think I'm going in with maybe this much for both sides. Let me see how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm just going to crochet in 7 pieces of Mali hair on each side, so on this side and on the other side as well. You're obviously going to need a crochet needle to do that. So this is what they look like after I crochet them in. And I'm just going to twist this side and then twist the other side as well, and then I'm just going to pin them in place. So I'm just loosely twisting it. If you want your bun to be bigger at the back, then you can add more Mali hair, and of course you can do the twist a little bit looser. But I think this one will work. I'm trying to go for like a semi-natural look. I don't want to say natural look because it's obviously not natural, but a semi-natural look. I like that word. Guys, don't you love these earrings? They're like my favorite earrings right now. You can secure it with a rubber band at the bottom if you want to, but I would leave mine like this. Mali hair is quite coarse and it holds pretty well. Okay, so now pinning. I'm going to use a lot of bobby pins to do the pinning, so you just use as many as you need to. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like for me. So if you want, you can go on ahead and lay your edges, or you can lay your edges before you start doing the style. I'm going to use a little bit of Murray's Superior Hairdressing Pomade. So it has some hold to it, and it's like that. So, okay, this stuff is hard. This is the first time I'm using it. Looks like that. It smells okay. And to add some shine and to take away all the little flyaways, I'm going to use Got to Be Glued, what's it called? I'm going to use Got to Be Glued Dazzling Shine Spray. I don't know, whatever. It's a shine spray and it, you know, tames all the frizz that's flying away. It looks like that and it's just clear water. I'll just spray it. And then I'm going to tie my scarf for a few minutes and then I'll be out to go. Of course, you can add as many accessories as you want to it. I don't know if I'll be, maybe I'll just add a few of them just for the sake of the video. For like all these things, like in pictures, they look better when you accessorize them a little bit. So I will do accessories for the tutorial's sake. Just to be a little bit extra, I added a piece of accessory at the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, guys, don't forget to thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I will see you next time. I'll be uploading my next video on Wednesday, so make sure you come here and check that out. Thank you guys. Bye.